Hi, video creators! Unifab 3.0 is released with a series of exciting new features and improvements. This includes a major update including 4x and large models of animations, automation processes, and UI interface optimization. In this video, we will review the new Anime Zoom model to see how effective it is. Okay, let's enter the software operation. When we open Unifab 3.0, we can see that the software style has been changed to dark, and the functions have been clearly classified with a very fresh interface design. Step 1. Import the video. You can see the video types that can be imported here. Step 2. Make some simple adjustments to the video parameters. You can choose to increase the video resolution. Unifab supports output with a maximum resolution of 8K. At the same time, we select the animation model for the model. Here we provide the video custom function, trim, and advanced preview function. Finally, adjust the video output parameters as well as the output quality and destination folder location, and click Export. Take a look at the enhanced video. You can see great details and very clear. You can see that the updated Unifab 3.0 version of the animation model is very powerful. Unifab enhances your videos by adopting powerful GPU processor. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to us and leave a message to tell us your experience with this software. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.